Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Subaru Forester door. First, we'll cover using your key fob for quick access. Then, we'll explore how to use the physical key, which is a great backup. Finally, we'll discuss emergency access methods, including what to do if your key fob battery or car battery is completely dead. This guide will help you get into your Forester smoothly and efficiently, no matter the situation. Your Subaru Forester's key fob offers convenient remote unlocking. Simply press the unlock button once for the driver's door, or multiple times to unlock all doors. If your fob battery is low or dead, don't worry. There's a hidden metal key inside. Just press the small silver tab on the back of the fob and pull out the emergency key. You can then insert this key into the driver's side door keyhole and turn it to manually unlock your vehicle. In situations where your key fob isn't working, the hidden physical key is your best friend. To access it, press the small silver button on your fob and slide out the metal key. The keyhole is usually located on the driver's side door handle, sometimes concealed. Insert the key and turn it to unlock. If you've locked your fob inside, some Subaru models offer a secret PIN code access system, which can be programmed to unlock the vehicle using a button on the rear hatch. If your key fob isn't responding, a common issue is a dead battery. Most Subaru key fobs use a CR2032 battery, which is easy to replace. If your car's main battery is dead, the key fob won't work, so you'll need to use the physical key to get in. Remember to keep your door locks lubricated for smooth operation. For more detailed instructions, or if you encounter persistent issues, consulting your owner's manual or a Subaru dealership is always a good idea. If you're looking for a great reading experience, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.